Hello, my name is Mitul Choksi. I am from Aeroflon Engineers Private Limited, Ahmedabad. We are manufacturers and service providers for air compressor replacement parts for various compressor brands. Aeroflon is in this industry since 1995, so it's 30 years now. We're based in Ahmedabad. We also have an office in Delhi. So our range of products is very diverse, ranging from Teflon-based, carbon-based PTFE parts like piston rings, rider rings, backings, oil scrapers, V-seals, that sort of things. And also metallic parts like pistons, piston rods, heat exchangers, that is intercoolers, aftercoolers, cylinders, and even asbestos and paper-based products like gaskets, which are required in the servicing of the air compressors. It's a very diverse range. We have more than 6,000 SKUs, and we can cater to almost any demand for air compressor parts. We are supplying to our customers across India, in almost every corner and state of India, and we are also exporting our range of products to countries in the Middle East like the UAE, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and also to African countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Nigeria, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and also countries in Asia like Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Nepal, Bangladesh. So we have a footprint across multiple markets outside India as well.